Welcome to 32044 Cypress Way, located in the desirable Wildwood tract in the North Lake community of Castaic. This home features over 2,400 square feet of living space and is move-in ready. As you enter, you'll notice the open floor plan with amenities that include recessed lighting, ceiling fans throughout, custom paint, and wood flooring. You'll love the large open kitchen with granite countertops, large center island, stainless steel appliances, and custom cabinetry with plenty of storage space. Two flex rooms downstairs are perfect for use as home office or additional bedrooms. Upstairs, the master bedroom comes with its own private bath, complete with separate tub and shower, his and hers sinks, and large walk-in closets. Three more bedrooms are perfect for your growing family. This home also provides you with access to the incredible Homeowners Association pool, spa, play area, and clubhouse. It's also minutes away from Castaic Lake, Interstate 5, and the most popular attractions the Santa Clarita Valley has to offer. It truly is a great place to call home.